Hi everyone. Well, we're going to tidy up a couple of different things. I'm going to show you my process. I use boxes to gather everything, whatever is for donations, whatever is to give away, whatever is for trash. And yes, those pillows I recently bought last fall, but they're hard as rocks and very uncomfortable, so I'm donating them. I always stack my stuff up in piles and make sure I take pictures of it for my donation receipts for tax purposes. I make a list of everything that is donated as I'm going and just sort through everything and adding to the list as I go. And here you'll see I'm using laundry baskets, garbage bags, boxes, and those pillows aren't being donated. Those are my bed pillows. I just need to get them up. And here we are, all packaged up and ready to go for donations, bags in the car, and we'll be taking off. And here I showed this in my last video. It is a clothes hanger that I started using for my jeans and it ripped.
Oops, it tore. This is kind of a nylon sweater holder, and so I believe I need to replace it with canvas for my jeans because, of course, my jeans are heavier. And I just noticed that this side tore, this side did not. It's still intact, but I've got the weight of a box under here, so hopefully it'll last until I can replace it with a canvas one. And this is my shoe rack that I have my shoes on, and then a few extra boxes here, and then another side shoe rack here that I have some of my purses and my shoes. So this is something that I just did recently by taking my jeans and folding them, and as opposed to having them hang with my dress pants and that sort of thing. This area for the jeans took up like from about here to all the way over here. And yeah, I know, really, do I need that many pair of jeans? But I do wear them. I do wear them. Guys, this is a new clothes holder that I bought. I got it at Target. It's canvas, much stronger, much sturdier. It even came with these in case you needed to hang it higher. But it works perfectly. It's bigger and better than the old one I had that ripped. I was even able to stack my shoe boxes in here. For now, I may fold and add other clothes or sweaters or tees. I'm not sure, but this thing works great and I love it. It's perfect. Kind of glad my old one tore.
Okay guys, let's get to it. It's the laundry room. We're going to tidy it up. This is a picture of everything in my closet in the laundry room, and we're just going to get to it, and I'm going to speed the process up. These are those plastic chopping blocks that I've talked to you about so many times. I use as liners in these metal racks. They work great.
finish cleaning with this washer dryer cleaner for the outside to keep it nice and clean so it doesn't get sticky or tacky, because you know how it is with the lint and everything. And then, can you see I have a real mess down here, but this is all stuff that I have to distribute elsewhere around the house. And this is the final closet project. You can't see what I'm doing, but let me see if I can get on that top shelf, things that I don't need all the time and that I want to keep pretty much, you know, out of reach. And then everything is sorted again, because when we moved in, you know, it was basically get it together and then see how it functions. And I just regrouped everything, used all the bins I had, ended up with 1 or 2 extra bins, and I think it's good. I'm going to call it a day for here. I'm going to sweep the floor and finish my laundry. Good day.